Hello and welcome to Digital Health News. We are here at DHN Forum Mumbai and we are joined here by Mr. Naren Singh from NHA. Thank you for joining, sir. Thank you so much for such an insightful session and on understanding the role of government in digitizing healthcare in India. So first of all, sir, I would like to ask you, how is ABDM improving healthcare accessibility, especially in underserved areas, as healthcare affordability and accessibility are two essential areas that we cover in healthcare?
So if you look at ABDM buses, it's not working towards providing healthcare services, but what you're looking at is making it digital part available for everyone. So we have got uh, projects where we are like 100 microsites projects where we are working in 100 cities in the country, where the doctors are being trained, told about how they can use digital systems to provide the better services to people. And these are not in main tier 1, tier 2 cities. They are in all parts of the country. We are running microsites even in northeast. And actually, that's where the first microsite started. So I see the use of technology, how it can be leveraged to provide better services is something which we are training all the doctors on about.
So, sir, talking about digitizing, there are certain issues and challenges that all healthcare providers they face, especially data privacy and interoperability. So, how is NHA tackling those issues?
So ABDM, the basic framework is about interoperability. So when NHA, the whole ABDM, if there is a digital data somewhere in some system, if it is hooking onto the ABDM platform, and then the first thing that we do is whether they are transferring the data into interoperable FHIR format or not. That is a basic requirement. So if you are hooked onto ABDM platform, you will get interoperable data from any other system. So that's one thing. Interoperability is ensured that way. We have defined HI types, like for prescription there's a standard, for a test there's a standard, there is for a discharge summary, the standards are all there. It's not we have decided, it's a CDAC which has decided, but we have adopted it. So the other thing is privacy. So the data which is there, it is in a federated form. We are not collating all the data in a central warehouse somewhere. What we are providing an exchange. So the data resides wherever it is created, in the hospital system or the doctor system. And once it has to be exchanged, it is done only with the consent of the patient. See, if you look at it, current system, even if the data is there, even if it is taken by someone, there is no consent of the patient. So the whole EVDM framework is on consent. So here, when we are looking at the TPDB Act also when it came into play. So all the principles of AVDM are in a consonance with that.
Sir, what do you think? What role do public-private partnerships play in ABDM, and how is government fostering collaboration with different tech companies and various startups that are coming now?
It's a very basic question. So there are a lot of startups which are developing systems.
Right.
So the main thing was that getting the ecosystem people to know more. So there are startups we have developed uh, they have developed a clinical system which the doctors can use, but they don't have a wherewithal to go to the market, go to all the doctors in the country. So when I was talking about our microsites project, so what we are doing is we have trained staff through in the microsite. These people are going to the doctor. They're telling them about these products which are available. First, they are telling them about digital. Then they are telling them about ABDM. When if the doctor says, "Okay, I'm good to go," but I want to know a product which is good enough. So these people we are telling about these products which are available. So imagine if these startups, they will not. They have got ready-made. No, they are not advocating specific product. That is one thing which we have made sure that only the products which are ABDM compliant, all of these are a showcase. So these small startups have got access to a bigger market. This one thing is that. So, and then we also do collaboration events. Whenever we hold events, we try to project whoever is on the ABDM framework.
That's the main.
Thank you so much for joining us in this discussion, sir. Yeah.
Yeah, thank you. My pleasure.